What's going on, guys? Today I have a Pokemon pack opening, just one pack. It's an XY Roaring Skies pack with a bonus Meowstic, holographic, and a trading coin. So let's go ahead and open up this pack. Get this dang Meowstic out. And then the coin. So here's the Meowstic, 90 HP promo, you can see on the bottom corner. And then it's got the trading coin, and we have a Roaring Skies XY pack. Try to save this pack as much as I can. It's got the code for online. I need to start doing this. And it comes with a Dark Dratini, Execute, Togepi, Fletchling, Shuppet, oh, Jirachi rare, and a Swellow rare non-holo, and then a Togetic. So we got Togepi and Togetic, and a Pelipper, and then a Revive. So this is definitely a nice card to pull. I don't have a Jirachi in my collection, but this is a rare reverse holo. So you guys let me know if this is actually rare or not, but this is the first time I've pulled a Jirachi, so let me know what you guys think, and I got the Meowstic to go along with it. Thanks for watching, take care, peace.